welcome back to Place CCN, which is brought to you by ARB's Exhibitions. I'm your host, Sandra Rossi. Air conditioning manufacturers are increasingly replacing copper components with aluminium in a bid to reduce production costs. The primary driver behind this trend is the high cost of copper, which is nearly 4 times the price of aluminium. According to a report on the Discovery Alert website, aluminium has captured 40% of the global HVAC component market, doubling its presence in the last 5 years. In 2021, Daikin announced plans to halve copper use by 2025, and more recently, LG has been making the transition to aluminium. One of the advantages of aluminium is that it weighs 30% less than copper. The United States has emerged as the global leader in aluminium adoption, whereas adoption in Asia is still a little patchy. Bosch has suspended its US $328 million investment in a new heat pump factory in Poland. The factory was being built to support existing heat pump factories in Portugal, Germany and Sweden. It was first announced in 2023, with production scheduled to start late this year or early next year. According to a Cooling Post report, Bosch will revisit its plans for the new plant when demand strengthens for heat pumps in Europe. Currently, heat pump sales in Europe are falling short of original projections. And finally, there's been a bit of a leadership shake-up at Chemours following the departure of Dawn Farrell, who has joined the Canadian government. Mary Cranston has been appointed board chair, and Alistair Cohen has taken up the role of lead director. Cranston has been a director since 2015, and Cohen was appointed in 2023 to the board. Well, that's it for our headlines this week, which were brought to you by ARB's Exhibitions. Thank you for watching.